I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to log in on Snapchat. For that, open up your Snapchat app on your phone. After you open up your app, on your bottom left you can see the option of login. Tap on it. Now enter email address linked to your account or your username. If you want to log in with your phone number, tap on use phone number instead. After that, enter your Snapchat's password. After you are done, select login. This is how you log in on Snapchat. Now you can take a picture or video, add filters, lenses or other effects and share them with your friends. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.